basically you look at the cracks, you see the thing is soft. You might not see it, but it should be a crack on each part of the rice that you should look at very super carefully. And basically that part is the part that we're gonna use the strainer. Therefore we're gonna dump our rice in the strainer. And since you don't want it to stick the rice together, you should use the hot cold water and then wash it up a little bit. That is the part that they say you lose some of the vitamin B of the rice. And then you put all the things in the strainer, and then you should put it in a very high degree on the oven. Then what you do, you start making a mountain, basically, that you bring all of the rice from the corner to the middle. Then what you do, you're making couple holes in these mountains. That this is because you want it to let it steam and the heat goes evenly in all of the rice and all of your rice cooks well. Therefore, you wait a little bit, you put it in a high flame, you wait that you see the steam coming off to your rice. Then you have this the water that already boiled a little bit with adding the olive oil in it. And then also we had the dill and a little bit berries, dried berries that we call it zereshk.
Elderberry.
Elderberry. And then you can basically put it here. Some people, what they do, they fry these berries separately with the saffron, and then when they wanted to present it, they present it like that. That makes the presentation better. But because I wanted to cook for my scenario, I just put it all over here with a little bit of the dill, dried dill. Still, I'm waiting to see the steam from my rice. They see that they start having the steam. Therefore, what I do, I pour this water with the olive oil inside of this.
Around the mountain.
Yeah, around the mountain, and I start again building your mountain. Therefore, it still should be in a high. And what you do, you have a cotton cover that you present here with the lid of your pot. Basically, what we do, we use this cotton cover to prevent the escaping of the steam from your rice, because you wanted the rice, the heat doesn't escape from side of the lid and stay there. That your cooking time is going to be lower, and also at the same time is going to make it nicer and cook well. Therefore, we wait for this, and when you saw that most of this rice, the water in the rice, the juice water with the rice and the olives, they dried, then you can put the cap on your rice like that, and basically like 15 to 20 minutes, I can say, or if you wanted to maximum go to half an hour, not more. For 20 minutes to half an hour with this, you can continue to cook your rice well. I hope this video was useful, and love to see you. Please subscribe for channels and gives us thumbs up, and thank you for my wife Victoria that helped me with this video. Bye.